Smart Garage, Easy Life. At DoorxMatic, we produce garage door openers that are easy, smart, and secure. From Huizhou Xing IMC all the way to your garage, smart living starts here.
Hey Google, set the garage door closed.
Alright, setting the garage door to 2.
At DoorxMatic, powerful motors meet smart features. Watch your garage, control your opener, anytime from anywhere. Receive real-time alerts. That keeps you and your garage safe. All in one app that is compatible with Google Home and Amazon Alexa. With 22 years of experience and 6,000 square meters automated production plant, we produce every opener you can trust. Our openers are certified with CE, TUV, ETL, RoHS, and other low-consumption standards. Safe, reliable. We bring peace of mind to trusted clients worldwide. From homes in New Zealand and Australia to apartments in Europe and communities in America. With DoorxMatic, making every garage easier, smarter, and safer.